interesting. Okay guys, let's begin the video. Before that, what are we going to be looking at? What's our topic for today? You guys might be wondering like that. Our topic for today is going to be pronouns. We're not going to be focusing on what is a pronoun because all of us know what is a pronoun. So let's look into pronoun in a more deeper manner. Let's look at the types of pronouns. We are going to be looking at 5 main types of pronouns in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi, you're watching Daily Talk and I'm Yashmi. The first type of pronoun which we are going to be looking at is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun takes the place of a person, place, animal or a thing. Some examples of a personal pronouns are I, me, she, he, and so on and so forth. Most of we guys, when we were kids, we thought these are only pronouns. But as we grow up, we'd be learning about different types of pronouns. There are many types of pronouns. But we are going to be looking at just 5 major of them in this video. Okay guys, let's look at the second pronoun. The second type of pronoun which we are going to be looking at today is going to be interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used in the forms where they make our questions easy. Like for example, what, who, whom, where, which, how, and all these are interrogative pronouns. They make our questions easier. So the next time you want to ask somebody some questions, you can use interrogative pronouns. Okay guys, let's look at the third type of pronoun next. Okay guys, now let's look at the third type of pronoun. The third type of pronoun is going to be indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun are type of pronouns which is used where we don't know the exact name of a person, place, animal, thing. We don't know the exact noun. Like someone, something, everyone, everything, and so on and so forth. We don't know the exact thing. Okay guys, now let's look at the fourth type of pronoun. Okay guys, now let's look at the fourth type of pronoun. The fourth type of pronoun which we are going to be looking at is going to be possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun helps us to show ownership. There are types of pronouns which help us to show ownership. You guys might be very confused with this definition. But don't worry, I'll help you with it. The things like yours, ours, your, his, all these. This is our house. This house is ours. All these show ownership. We own the house, so we use this pronoun. So this helps us to show ownership. So that's all with possessive pronouns. Now let's look at the next type of pronouns now. Okay guys, let's look at the last but not the least, the fifth pronoun now. Okay guys, now let's look at the last type of pronoun. They are the fifth type of pronoun. They are the demonstrative pronoun. What are the demonstrative pronouns? You guys might be wondering like that. Demonstrative pronouns are a type of pronouns which are not followed by a noun because they refer to the noun. Okay guys, that's all for today. I'll meet you tomorrow in another video. Until then, bye-bye, see you all. Bye-bye, see you later. Bye guys. Hope you are clear with the topic pronouns. If you have any queries, you can just give your queries down in the comment section. I'll meet you tomorrow in a new video. Until then, tada, bye-bye, see you all. Bye-bye, see you later. Bye guys, see you later. Bye.